In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set and manage alerts in TradingView using Forex.com. First, open TradingView and log in so your workspace and settings are available. Before creating any alerts, double-check that your Forex.com account is connected. You'll find the trading panel at the bottom of your chart. If the broker connection shows as active, you're good to go. This ensures any alerts you set align with the symbols and pricing you actually trade, and it helps avoid confusion between demo and live data. On the right-hand toolbar, click the bell icon labeled Alerts. This opens the Alerts panel, where you can see existing alerts and create new ones. To make a new alert, click the plus icon for Create Alert. This brings up the alert configuration window. Here, start by choosing the symbol you want to monitor. Make sure it matches the chart you're watching, especially if you flip between pairs or instruments. Next, select the condition. Common choices include when price crosses a specific level, moves above or below a threshold, or touches a drawn line or indicator. Pick what best fits your strategy. Then choose the alert type, which determines how strictly the condition is evaluated and how often it can trigger. Now, set your options. Choose an expiration if you only want the alert to run for a certain time frame, or leave it open-ended if you want it to continue indefinitely. For alert actions, you can select a pop-up so you see it on screen, an email if you prefer messages in your inbox, or a webhook if you're integrating with external tools. Use only the actions you actually need to reduce noise. Consider adding a clear message so when the alert fires, you immediately know what it means without opening the chart. When everything looks right, click Create to activate the alert. You'll see a marker on the chart and it will appear in your alerts list. To manage your alerts, click the Alerts bell again to view your full list. From here, you can pause an alert to temporarily stop notifications without deleting it, edit it to adjust levels, messages, or actions, or delete it if you no longer need it. Editing is helpful for fine-tuning. Deleting keeps your workspace clean. Review your list periodically to avoid expired or redundant alerts, and keep the ones that match your current trading plan. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.